Caesar, is there something inside the temple? Is it hollow? Is it solid? Look, my friends. Inside the temple, you're gonna find another two temples. Another two temples. Like this one, of course, smaller ones. Have you guys ever seen the Russian dolls?
Yeah.
You guys take one, there's a small underneath. So it's the cenote, right, under the temple. The platform that is all over this place, and the temple on top. So that way they knew that it wasn't going to that actually tells you everything that was built on here last night. And what is the platform? Let me show you part of it. It's right here, guys.
7 wonders है ये 8 wonders है.
There are a lot of different 7 wonders, different time zone. Yes, this is one of those wonders of 7 wonders.
Is there a reason? Each one of the carving represents different person or region. If you remember I mentioned three times of that. Okay, loud. Everybody. 1, 2, 3.
I'll pick a pic.
Sorry. Cléopâtre. Orius.
Et maman, elle a un beau défaut.